How to manage recommended live notification on Twitch. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage recommended live notifications on Twitch. First thing, go to Twitch and then just click here on your profile and now click this one, account settings, click on it and then click this one, notifications, and now click on mobile. And then now all you need to do is just you will find this one here, just click on it if you want to turn it off, and if you want to turn it on again click on it. And as you see, that's how manage recommended live notification on Twitch. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.